Hello, my audience. I made some videos some time ago about hatred against the Igbo race and Igbo people in general, mostly in Lagos. There is this man they call Bayo Onanuga. Bayo Onanuga. I don't know who he is. I don't know who he is, and I don't want to know who he is. He's just a man on the street because Tinubu has gone in and has picked him from where they left him. Now he becomes important. Let me tell you something, Bayo Onanuga. This video is for you. You said that Igbos are a threat to Yorubas, that the ethnic slaw going on against Igbos, that you owe no one apology, that the Igbos are threats to Yorubas. Yorubas are threats to Nigeria. Yorubas are threats to Africa. Yorubas are threats to Britain. Yorubas are threats in everywhere they go. If you don't know, let me put it to you right now, directly to your face. Yorubas are threats to Nigeria in general, to West Africa, and to Africa in general. Who are Yorubas? Lagos was built by government, by everyone. Lagos was a former capital of Nigeria, and Nigerian money was used to build Lagos. The rest development that was left was built by Igbos. Move around by yourself, move everywhere. Any mansion you see belongs to Igbo man, belongs to us. Listen, look, because of you guys, I'm putting on these t-shirts. Laziness comes in waves. This is for Yorubas. Let me tell you something. The hatred, like I said, is too much. It's becoming too much. You don't owe anybody apology. Nobody is asking for your apology. You are not better than any Igbo man. You are not better than any Igbo man in your office. They only appointed you because of friendship or because of relative or because of one thing. If they put you and put an Igbo man, you cannot unseat an Igbo man. It is a bet. Take it or you leave it. But that is the reality. Since you want somebody to talk to you, I am coming out to talk to you. Bayo Onanuga. Even if you like, be the president, I will talk to you. Yes, I will talk to you. Why I will talk to you? Because of the word coming out from your mouth. You're a father, but you are not behaving like one. Is it what you are teaching your children and your grandchildren to imbibe in them hatred against a certain race? Is that what you are teaching your children? Is that what a father like you should do? Someone like you putting on glass like this thing, you are imbibing hatred in your children. Are you better than Igbo people? Everywhere in Lagos, you people have destroyed Igbo properties, destroyed Igbo business. You understand? And we are still moving, and we will keep moving. You are not the one moving us. Laziness comes in waves. Ours, we are not lazy. That is why everywhere we go, we are moving on, we are progressing, and we are successful. Anywhere you see us, this is abroad. This is not Nigeria. Look around. Everywhere we are doing pretty well, pretty good. I'm putting it to you. Move around and check. Let me tell you one thing. Igbo people don't owe anybody. We are not owing you guys. If you are hungry in Lagos and you bring your land, we will buy it. Say the amount. Just open your mouth and say 2 million, 10 million, 100 million. We will go and look for money and come and purchase that your building. If you are hungry, you sell your property. That is what it meant to be. So for you to come in the public to show how porous you guys are by saying that you don't owe anybody apology, that we are threat. You people are threat to the country, and that is why it has been like that. Without the government, who are the Yorubas? The Igbos came out from the civil war with 20 pounds, and look at where they are today. You guys have connived with the North, ruling the country. And what are your situations? We are not hush puppy. We are not hush puppy. Do you get it? We are not into fraud. Anywhere you see Yoruba in abroad, because I live in abroad, any Yoruba person you see in abroad is a fraud person. It's either he's doing a credit card fraud, or he's doing this fraud, or doing the other fraud. Everywhere you see them. Go to London. They are the one doing fraud in London. They are not hardworking. It's only their women that work for them Don't you know that? Go to Lagos and see. If their women are not carrying rubbish on their head to sell, their husband cannot feed. I live in Lagos. I know Lagos better than you. Listen, I have a story. Very soon you're gonna see my story. I remember Oba Oyekon when he was dragging my uncle's house in Lagos, in Idumota. I don't forget it. It's not today that I know Yoruba people. I don't have hatred against you people, but your character tells itself the way you people are. Why would you use that comment on Igbo people? People who are helping you people to develop your land that you cannot develop. Go to Akure, go to Ibadan, go to Akwara. Anywhere you like, you go. Go to Osun. Any business that is moving is an Igbo man. If you say Igbo man is not good for you, they will never be good for you. Ogu is coming out on everybody very, very soon. Ogu, the highest anyanwụ ọ ga-achachawa onye ọbụla. Amadio ha ga-ewere onye ọbụla krono niile, crush ya, destroy everybody into pieces. Anyone who goes and hates Igbo man in continuation will go in for it. It is not a threat. It's already what you know. We are not against people, and we don't make trouble. We do business and we make profit, and we utilize our money, not using our money to do party. If you want to make party, you go and borrow money, you go and sell your land, you go and disturb tenants living in your house, and when your money is done, you start to cry. Igbo man don't make party when there is no money. We struggle. When we make money, we remove our initial money, we remove our profit, we use little to do party. When you see us coming out to throw money, we have made too much money. We are not like you people. So you people are the one who are threat to the whole world, to humanity. Goodbye. Go.